Good day, grade 9. So, second part ito nung lesson natin about changing quadratic function into its vertex form and standard form. So, in this video, ang goal naman na natin ay to change a standard form of quadratic function into its vertex form. Itong skill na to ay useful lalo na kapag naghahanap ka ng vertex or you're trying to graph a quadratic function pero ang given mo ay naka-standard form. So let's say for instance your function here is y is equal to 2x squared minus 16x plus 5. So if you'll notice, naka-standard form siya. Ang goal mo, gawin siyang vertex form. So, you'll start with identifying the value of a. So, here, the value of a is 2. So, i-factor out mo lang yung value ng a. That will be y equals 2 times quantity x squared. So, paano naging x squared? That is 2x squared divided by 2. That is x squared. Then, negative 16x divided by 2. That is negative 8x times quantity. So, labas na natin yung positive 5. Then, from here, ang goal na natin ay to identify what must be added here para maging perfect square trinomial siya. So, kung natatandaan po, meron na tayong ganitong skill na inaral during completing the square method ng solving ng quadratic equation. So, kung medyo nalimot po, balikan yung video o yung lesson natin about that kasi kailangan mo yung skill na yon. So, meron yung formula na negative b over 2a squared yung kailangan mong i-add para ma-complete yung perfect square trinomial. So, dito, ang titignan mo ng ay itong x squared minus 8x. Hindi na po itong original function, ha? Ito na lang pong x squared minus 8x. Kasi pag hindi, mag-iiba yung ating i-add. Magkakamali po tayo. So, from here, identify lang natin ano ba yung value ng b. So, the value of b here is negative 8. And the value of a is yung invisible 1 dot. So, from there, substitute lang dito. You'll have negative 8 all over 2 times 1. Then, naka-square itong buong expression. So, negative 8 is positive 8 over 2 times 1 is 2 squared. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 squared is 16. So, in short, you will have y is equal to 2 times x squared minus 8x plus 16. So, dito, this is already a perfect square trinomial. Yun yung goal natin. Now, tandaan, this is an equation or a function. So, kailangan, pag nagdagdag tayo, since nagdagdag tayo ng positive 16 dito, and naka-quantity ito, ha? So, ibig sabihin, kailangan ko siyang i-minus po kasi hindi naman tayo pwedeng basta magdagdag. Kailangan, kung tandaan, kumbaga, kung meron kang x equals 7, kung gusto kong magdagdag sa kabilang side, so if I added 1 kay x, pwede akong mag-add din sa kabila. Or, para equal pa rin sila. Or, ang pwede mong gawin ay, pag nag-add ako ng 1 dito, mag-minus 1 pa rin ako. Para, babalik pa rin ako dun sa aking original equation. So, from there, we will have, dapat mag-minus ako ng 32. Now, baka nalito, ma'am, bakit 32? Ang inad lang natin dito ay 16. Kasi po, meron tayong positive 2 sa labas. So, that will be 16 times 2, 32. So, kung nag-add ako ng 32, mag-minus din ako ng 32. Same scenario with this. So, from here, you will have y is equal to 2 times, kunin mo, gaya lang doon sa completing the square method natin, kunin may square nito, that is x, copy the sign, negative, square root ng 16, 4, squared, positive 5 and negative 32, combine or minus lang po. So, that is, since magkaiba ng sign, minus. Copy the sign of the larger absolute value. So, that will be negative 27. Naka-vertex form na po yung ating quadratic function. And kaya na natin i-identify na ang vertex ito ay, copy the reverse the sign nito kasi h ito. So, this will be positive 4. And copy the sign lang since this is your k, negative 27.